Hey everyone, welcome back, and I've just been to the photography show. Is that something that's still valid in today? Is it still something that we want to see? Well, let's talk about it. So, photography show. I used to love the photography show. It was exciting. There was new technology. It was really good. It was huge as well. All the manufacturers were there. It was the place. And then it started to go downhill a little bit, and then it just totally went. And luckily, I think it was Future Publishing came in and saved the day and brought it back because they had these big ideas. They had the readership. They had the know-how to make it work in terms of marketing. And it started off small and it got a little bit bigger, and it was, yeah, if it had been the same this year as the previous time I went, I probably wouldn't go again. I've got to be honest. But this year was so much better. They had loads of manufacturers there. It was nice to see such a huge range of manufacturers and some new manufacturers with some really nice little innovation for photography there as well. So yes, it was great. Did it have everyone? No, it didn't. There was still a few people missing, and that's always going to be the case. Manufacturers decide whether they go or don't, and it's on those things. But the show was bigger, it was buzzing, it's had some great opportunities there, which I thought was fantastic. And I got a new Nikon bag as well, because every year I think that I've been that Nikon have done them. I've had one of their bags, normally yellow. It's gone to black this year, which is great. So yeah, that was a bonus point. But what I really love about the show is that we shop online now. For everything that we do, everything comes and we go and buy online. Even if I buy from my local store, which I do 9 times out of 10, it's on the internet because it's just convenient. I tend to know what I want, I go and get it, it's delivered, or I ring up and they deliver it, whatever it is, I'm effectively virtual shopping. And that's great, but I don't get a chance to try new tech and to see it. And this show enables me to go, hold the product, see if I like it, see if it's going to fit. Does it fit my hand nicely? Whatever it is it, if it's a new rucksack, is it going to fit on my back properly? I've got to look at all these things and decide if it's right. And I love that. I've missed it so much with online shopping, that shows like this are invaluable for that. And I think that's the key thing. Seeing new tech is brilliant. Obviously, there's a few things I went to see. I went to see the DJI Pocket 2. I've heard rumours that the 3 is coming out in November, but I just wanted to go and have a little play with this rather than just seeing it online. The guy from DJI assures me that the 3 is not coming out this year, no matter what anyone is saying on rumours, which I don't know whether to believe him or not. I don't know whether to go, sod it, we'll have the 2 for work and we'll get on with it, or whether to wait for a couple of months and see if the 3 comes out in November as people have predicted online. That'll be interesting. So that's a little dilemma to have at the moment. I saw people who had done some new pinhole camera stuff, but in a way that made it fun and exciting to use and made it easy. And actually, I think that's quite a good little thing that they've done there. What else did I see? Some new software. I say new software. Some new software that plugs in on existing. So it plugged in on Photoshop and it did some automation and stuff. And that was pretty neat. I've got to be honest, that was pretty neat. What else did I see that I quite liked? Oh yeah, Peak Design were there. Obviously, I've been thinking about their travel tripod for a long time, and I've come to the conclusion I'm probably not going to go for it. I did a few things on travel tripods recently. Might put some links up here somewhere. But yeah, it's quite expensive for what you're getting, and there's a few alternatives which apparently have done better. So we'll have to see onto that. I'll get some of those and check them out. But what I went to see is their bags. I absolutely adore their bags. And I wanted a slightly larger one for my MacBook because it's really tight fitting in, and I could see what it was like and feel it. Is it too big? Is it? And I probably think it's too big for what I want as an everyday carry. I don't tend to put camera equipment in my Peak Design stuff. They all go in cases and that's it. So yeah, but it was nice to be able to go and see that and to try it and to decide that I wasn't going to spend my money. And in fairness, I didn't spend any money at all while I was there, apart from food, coffee, and parking. Parking was ridiculous. $16.95 for my car parking space. Yeah, I suppose I could have gone on the train. That would probably cost me about the same as the parking, in all fairness. But if I bought something, I've got to carry it back. And sometimes I buy cases there and this, that, and the other. This is the first year that I didn't actually buy any kit for myself, which was amazing. I'm not quite sure how that happened, but I'm quite proud of myself. If you went to the photography show, what did you get? I'd love to know what it was that you went and picked up. What did you see that you thought was amazing? Because there was some pretty good stuff there. And if you didn't go for it, what was the reason? Why didn't you like it? I'd just be interested to know. So look forward to reading your comments and interacting with you. Like and subscribe to keep on top of things, and see you soon.